Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to wear multiple hairs in Roblox. Alright, let's begin. First, open any type of preferred browser and search for roblox.com. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Now, open a new tab in your browser and search for BT Roblox. Next, open the Chrome Web Store web link and download this extension. Once the extension is downloaded, get back to your Roblox account and reload it. You might notice that the interface changes a little bit, which indicates that the extension is working. Now, navigate to the Avatar tab from the left side menu and access the Hair section. Inside it, simply check mark the hair you would like to wear, and that's it. You can now wear any amount of hair elements you want. So that's basically how you can wear multiple hairs in Roblox. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.